Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your PIN on Krystal Wallet application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your PIN on Krystal Wallet application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Krystal Wallet application. Verify your access by entering your 6-digit passcode and the home page of Krystal Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. You will end up on the settings page of your Krystal Wallet's account. Tap on Change PIN option. Verify your access by entering your 6-digit PIN code. Create a new passcode and confirm your new passcode by re-entering it, and that's how you will be able to change your Krystal Wallet account's PIN code quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.